I'm a daughter that.
Yeah.
Closest thing to him and that.
Closest thing to him and that, man.
The man heart that.
Oh my God, man. Oh God, man. Around when the Renaya grow, man. You see it? And then so look at big pussy people forward for the media. But Bobo, I use baby as shield. Use baby as shield, my bumbo clot. But you want to step to me.
When you hear that, my viewers, Bobo I make big talk. I said no boy could step to him and I funeral. But who invite Bobo and I funeral? No him them did say involve in a dirtings. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So my people, Jav try for murder him own a baby mother. Plus, police find 9 ball, rifle ball, and all type of ball at St.Mary. So before me jump in at the reasoning, and make you know what I go on, pre this.
Yeah.
Closest thing to him and that.
Closest thing to him and that, man.
The man heart that.
Oh my God, man. Oh God, man. Around when the Renaya grow, man. You see it? And then so look at big pussy people forward for the media. But Bobo, I use baby as shield. Use baby as shield, my bumbo clot. But you want to step to me. Me hear one bag of over here, shut up on the mouth. You see the security team? Like they got instructions.
Yeah.
Say anything look hostile coming towards us, take that down. Take that fuck down. Yeah, not even a fly. Yeah, because we don't trust nobody. I'm Tony, the amount of check we get, you feel like so we can trust people over here. And that's how we get me a big up my security team, you know. None of them never want to go. You see it? Yeah. I'm here, dog, respect we have to show. None of them never want to forward, we have to show respect. One thing I've been over here telling you, know, day before this sun, you know, because boy, I have to go do my sitting, you know. Because I have to see my family go down, you know. I have to show me. Yeah, that's how we bring security. Yeah. And who over here so I talk about use baby as shield. Go suck with no mother. None of that. I'm too no man.
You don't have the security as a shield.
Oh. You have a security, and one thing my security then tell me, say, yo, me need to fret, me need to look no way, and you notice.
They really are looking for you.
They are looking. Them ready, like right now.
When you hear that, my viewers, I would have crashed on me there. I would have pressed as they behind a Bobo. Where everything where Bobo say him does a jump up and a cheer for Bobo, so. But them a talk about no boy could have stepped to them and Naya funeral. I who invite Bobo and Naya funeral. That mood I like for know, you know. No fame name a call a road say him involved in a Naya dirtings. So why ma do a Naya funeral? And if you no watch the clippings them, you no notice say a Bobo and Naya baby mother and Naya daughter and security team step in a Naya funeral. My people, see at this point, most of who hear a talk on the media and a call up Naya name. Them just a look clout off a Naya name. Them no really rate the youth or did have no love in a them heart for the youth. Cause if Bobo name a call up a road say him involved in a Naya dirtings, who invite him a Naya funeral, where ma do round Naya baby mother plus with Naya baby, Jaja. See at this point, I prefer we load this thing here alone to the police them. Cause this thing here to mix up me and tell you no. So my people, you walk with me and now. You see that picture you wanna see on the screen. You see how them look happy together. You see how them look like them never would have left. Looks are deceiving. Jav go find out say woman a cheat pan him and run go for loss and deal with her away. And him never care for him son mother. Him never care if she live or she drop. All him care about him emotion and him feelings. And where people are go say a road. Brother, no shame no in the game. So me tell you this. No man and them baby mother no de boy again. You never know that. Them style they are from in the 90s. Where man and them baby mother they till wappy kill fill up. In that era, that 21st century, no man and them baby mother no there again, brother. So me no see why when you hear say your baby mother go cheat pan you take it to heart and run her down with loss and deal with her away. You fi thank God say she never drop out. Cause if she never drop out, you'd have just left your pitney motherless and fatherless. Cause me know say JCF want have a talk with you. So my people, hear it there. It no matter how happy a couple look. It no matter if you breed a woman. That no mean say you and a woman a go there till die kingdom come, brother. So my viewers, walk with me and now. See it ya? This JCF fine, you know. Down a Castleton, St.Mary, you know. 9 ball, rifle ball, and all type of ball, you know. You know see say them running pan the dealer. People, see it ya? Big business the boy, you know. You never know that. A funeral home and gun dealer make the most money, boy, you know. If you don't want to make $1 million by a morning, just go open a dead house. I want to see where go on. Quick and fast so no bank account get fat up. So see it here, JCF a clean up, boy, yeah. Cause if it did for up to them dance and general, yeah, the whole island would have mash up, me I tell you no. So my people, until next time, you know, protect on 3 points a road.